Welcome back. I hope you're doing great. As a part of this video, we'll understand what is acceptance testing. So the product is built. We have done all the kinds of testing, right from unit testing, functional testing, integration testing, and system testing. What is the next phase? We have to release the application or product to the production, right? We have to make sure that the product we have built and tested has to be handed over to the customers so that they can start using the system. But before we do that, we'll perform the acceptance testing. It is also called as user acceptance testing, that is UAT. So acceptance testing is performed by the end user or the client to verify the software application before it is deployed in a production. It is also called as beta or end user testing. As we understood, it is the last phase of the software testing performed after the system testing is done, so that the product or application or a system is fit for to be used by the users. So what they do is the developed application is assessed, tested, or evaluated or validated with the end users whether it is working or not as per the requirements for the end users. So the whole intent is to see if the product is fit for the delivery. What are the preconditions which are required for acceptance testing? First and foremost thing is you would have completed the system and regression testing. After that, configuration manager would have ensured that source code, test scripts, and what are the third-party software required are all of them are there at the place where we can deploy it to the production. After that, we'll ensure that test data is prepared so that users or clients can test the application. After that, we'll ensure all the documents are also ready, because when we develop an application we need to ensure that we are also sending the user manual or documentation along with the application. That also need to be validated before even we proceed with the user acceptance testing. We'll ensure all the documents are ready. Post that, whatever the testing procedures are there, that also is documented. So exit decision from the previous testing phases is also completed. Then we'll ensure that what are the procedures required. One among them would be for installation is also laid out. And then acceptance criteria also must be documented. After all these preconditions are met, then we'll proceed with the user acceptance testing by roping in the right project stakeholders. It is not always possible to test all the requirements. They're also called as non-testable requirements. In that case, what testing team will do is review those non-testable requirements with the sponsor and user and take a sign off from them. Post that, you also ensure that there is a plan for the implementation. That's it about the acceptance testing. Thank you.